How to download stat logs on Metamask. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download stats log on Metamask in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Metamask. Here is my wallet. As you can see, this is the homepage of any Metamask account. So first thing you do is you go to the top corner here on those three lines, click on them, and then choose settings here. And after that you need to go to the third option, which called advanced. Click on it like this, and then you will have to go down and you will find downloads state logs in easy fast way. You need just to click on it and the state logs will be downloaded in your phone or your computer. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.